Many of the screen's functions and settings that are usually controlled manually by using the remote control can be controlled remotely using the CMS. Begin by hovering over the player icon on the top menu, then clicking on Status. Right-click the screen that you want to send the command to and hover over Player Control. You will now see a drop-down list of commands. Playing sends the play command to your screen if it has stopped. Stop sends the stop command to your screen if it is currently playing content. Reboot sends the command to reboot your screen as if you have restarted it from the mains. Sleep sends the power off command to your screen to put it into standby. Wake up sends the power on command if your screen is on standby. Volume sends a command to change the volume of your screen. Format sends a command to format your screen's internal memory. Server model allows you to edit the IP address that your screen points to. Please do not edit this setting without advice from your supplier. If you want to send a command to multiple screens at the same time, you can tick the checkboxes next to the screens you want to control, then click the More button in the top right hand corner. You will then see the same player control drop-down list. You can also remotely schedule features like your screen's on and off times and download periods. To do this, begin by hovering over the player icon on the top menu, then clicking on Player. Click the player for which you want to set a schedule. An Edit Player box will now appear with various tabs. The On-Off Time tab allows you to set a power timer schedule for your screen so that it can automatically power off during hours it is not in use and power back on during hours that it is in use. The Download Time tab allows you to set a specific time period for your screens to communicate with the server. This is ideal if you do not have much available bandwidth during working hours but only need to update your screens in the evening. The Display Property tab allows you to schedule a time period for which the screen will have altered picture settings. For example, if you want to change the brightness of your screen during lunchtime hours, you can do so. The Volume tab allows you to schedule different volume levels for different periods of the day. For example, your screen may be in a location where it is much noisier in the evening. During these periods, you can schedule the screen to automatically increase the volume level. The Change Port tab allows you to schedule your screens to run from an external source during certain periods of the day. For example, if you want your screen to display your set-top TV box for a few hours a day, then switch back to your usual content after this period, you can do so.